be taking you guys around. And it's our job to help Bubba find all his gifts today. We got a nice holiday story for you guys. Just make sure you guys keep your hands and feet inside the train. And don't push anyone out. So this is the story of Bubba's Christmas crisis. Now let's see if we can find all his gifts and help him save Christmas.
'Twas a week from last Tuesday, and Bubba was miffed because someone had taken all of his gifts.
Those were my presents! They were for me! But somebody stole them from under my tree. But I'll search the whole swamp. That's what I'll do till I find all my presents. Heck, I'll find the thief too.
He threw open the door of his sweet double wide, and he stomped down the stairs and he walked outside, and there on the lawn was his first box, a gift from his aunt of camo print socks.
Camo print? Those socks will practically be invisible out here. I'm never gonna find them. Do you see them?
So Bubba kept searching for more of his stuff, and he knew he could find them if he looked hard enough, and that's when he saw it, pinned to the wall, the bluest new pair of blue overalls.
That's appropriate, because I'm over all these gifts. Why doesn't anyone ever just give me a nice pair of board shorts? This is Florida. You know how hot overalls are?
He searched by the trees and he searched by the rocks, and he peeped in the pond filled with saltwater crocs, and he found the next gift, which he hurled in the lake. 'Twas the worst gift of all, a big old fruitcake.
Whoever's going around giving people fruitcakes, tell them that's a one-way ticket to my naughty list.
Bubba kept searching high and low for the last of his gifts. Now where did they go? And there on the ground, looking quite charred, were some overcooked cookies, all burnt and hard. And each blackened morsel was missing one bite. The thief tried them all, then hid out of sight.
Someone tossed all my cookies. Man, that does it. You helped me find all my presents. Now can you help me find who took them? Let's go!
And there on the ground, Bubba spotted a clue. Some really big footprints, too big for a shoe. The tracks came from something that lived in the swamp. Something big, something hairy, with big feet that stomp.
That's it! I figured it out. Who snuck in my trailer and snuck my gifts out? I'll find him, that thief. He will not escape. I'm gonna catch him, that sneaky skunk ape.
For those of you folks who may not have heard, a skunk ape's a creature that's rarely observed. It's much like a Bigfoot, but not quite as tall. And he's usually nice and pleasant to all.
You call stealing my presents pleasant? Well, I think he stinks. And I'm not just talking about how he smells.
When Bubba found Skunk Ape, he was mad at first sight. He marched up to Skunk Ape all ready to fight.
You took all my presents, you great big lug!
But when Bubba reached Skunk Ape gave him a hug. Then Skunk Ape held up a gift of his own, wrapped in leaves and some vines twisted into a bow. He gave it to Bubba and smiled so wide that Bubba felt guilty and wanted to hide.
You thought those were your presents under my tree. Now you're giving a present from you to me.
And what was the gift? Just the best thing ever. A Bubba toy made out of twigs and some feathers. Then Skunk Ape said something Bubba'd always remember. That beautiful day in late December. He said,
Wow!
Bubba said as he wiped his tears.
Couldn't have said it better in a million years.
And the Skunk Ape, he turned and walked out of sight, calling, We don't know what it means, but if we guessed, we would say, Merry Christmas, my friends, and have a nice day.
Awesome job. We found Bubba's gifts. Congratulations, you guys did great. Hopefully you found them all. So let's end this with a little sing-along.
As the Gatorland Express makes its way back to the station, we keep with the holiday spirit and invite you to take part in a Christmas sing-along. Oh, except we've changed all the words, so, maybe you can just hum or whistle along or something? Here we go.
Sailing through the swamp on an airboat, yes sirree. Over we go, hee-haw with glee.
Yeah!
Battle gifts to give away tonight. We're gonna give stuff to our friends at Gatorland, that's right. Jingle bells, Bubba smells, food, hay and egg. Gatorland's the place we love, go working and for play. Hey! Jingle bells, Bubba yells, yippee-ki-yo-ki-yay.
Yippee-ki-yo-ki-yay.
Have a Merry Christmas and a joyous holiday. We thought we'd just drop by to bring some gifts to you. It's our way to say, buy presents for us too. Hope you like our gifts, we know they'll bring you cheer. It's all the stuff you gave to us, we gifted from last year. Jingle bells, we just want to say, have a Merry Christmas and a joyous holiday. Hey, jingle bells, yippee-ki-yo-ki-yay. Who likes to celebrate his favorite holiday?
Gee, they mean Christmas. Ah, humbug.
Merry Christmas and a joyous holiday season from all of us here at Gatorland.
It looks like we're pulling back into the station now, so just make sure you guys stay seated until the train does come to a complete stop. Also, when you are exiting, we are going to exit from back to front, so go ahead and follow the group behind you. Make sure you're social distancing and staying 6 feet away. I would like to thank you guys for riding Gatorland's Christmas Express. I hope you guys had a great time. If you did, my name is Danny. If you did not, my name is Oscar. Other than that, happy holidays and have a great time here at the alligator capital of the world.